Hi, book lovers. We're looking at The Virgin Suicides today, the first book by Jeffrey Eugenides. This book talks deeply about being young, alone, and the hidden struggles ordinary neighborhoods can have. If you haven't read it, don't worry, I'll break it down for you. The story happens in the 70s in a simple Michigan suburb. It's told by a group of men looking back on their teen years and the mystery of the Lisbon sisters, Cecilia, Lux, Bonnie, Mary, and Therese. Sadly, within a year, all the sisters take their own lives. The book starts with Cecilia, the youngest, trying to kill herself. After failing once, her deep sadness is ignored. Not long after, she takes her own life at her parents' party, which was organized to make her feel better. This incident greatly affects her family and the whole neighborhood. The other Lisbon girls become more and more isolated, and their parents try too hard to keep them safe from the world, making them feel even more lonely. Let me briefly tell you about the Lisbon girls. Cecilia, the youngest, her sad death starts the story. Lux, she is lively and a rebel. Her short-lived love story with Trip Fontaine is a key part of the story. Bonnie is quiet and religious. Mary is creative yet sensitive. And Therese, the smart one, and loves science. The story gets intense as the local boys who fancy the sisters try to understand their sadness. They secretly watch them and gather bits of their lives. Lux's brief affair with Trip Fontaine offers a glimpse of rebellion and passion, but it ends abruptly, leaving her even more desolate. After a dance that Lux attends with Trip, Mrs. Lisbon, their mother, becomes stricter. The girls are removed from school and confined at home, which starts to decay, just like their happiness. The boys' efforts to connect with the girls fail. They only get silence in return. This increases their feeling of despair. The story ends tragically. One night, the boys get a strange message from the sisters. It appears like an invitation to help them escape their miserable life. But when the boys arrive, they find that the sisters have all ended their lives. The Virgin Suicides is a touching story about the hardships of being young and the damaging effects of feeling isolated and repressed. Eugenides skillfully paints the picture of a decaying suburb and the haunting memories that remain long after the tragic ending. If you like this summary, I'd suggest you reading The Virgin Suicides. You'll get to enjoy Eugenides' beautiful, sad writing style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to get updates on our book, summaries and reviews. Tell us in the comments which book you want us to review next. Thanks for watching, and remember, every book has a soul. Keep reading and discovering new worlds. Until next time, happy reading.